The Meetup process includes a handful of steps that happen during the month leading up to the event. This week is an exciting week because it's the first time you can see everyone else's profiles and request meetings with all the people you want to meet. You can easily filter, search, and sort the full list of participants, or use featured selection lists to find who you'd like to meet. For example, you can use the Find a Mentor featured selection list to easily find participants who are offering to become a mentor. The more people you select, the more likely we are able to schedule meetings for you. We recommend selecting at least 5 times the number of time slots you're available. And if you're interested in meeting with a particular organization, select everyone you're open to meeting with from that organization. There's no limit on the number of selections you can make, and you won't be scheduled to meet with more than one person from the same organization. You can easily provide reasons for your requests, which will be shared with the people you select to encourage them to agree to meet with you. You'll also assign a level of interest to each of your selections, and we'll try to prioritize them for you. Don't worry, your level of interest isn't shared. Once everyone is done with their selections, we'll share all meeting requests at the same time, which will be next week. That's when you'll opt in to the requests you've received, and others will opt in to the requests you've sent them. If you're a hosted meetings rep, you can sort by hosted retailers and brands to make your hosted meeting requests. We recommend that you make at least 5 times the hosted meeting request as the number of hosted meetings that your organization has purchased. And finally, if you're an organization admin, you can make meeting requests and hosted meeting requests on behalf of participants from your organization. If you ever have any questions, just email us and we'll be happy to help.